Basically CSRF can be anywhere. CSRF can be on login page, CSRF can be on sign out page, CSRF can be on password reset page, or CSRF can be on any critical business infrastructure page. So let's try on the login page. See, so I'm going live now. So this is the Mozilla Firefox is my hacker browser, okay, the hunter browser, and the Chrome is a victim browser, okay. So I'm just showing as well as. So let's try on this website Mobidia. So Mobidia is a bug crowd website. There is a login. I'll go to login, but I don't have credentials now, so I will sign up here first. So do it here now. Yes. So the first name I'll do offensive hunter. Maybe I'll give email address offensive hunter@gmail.com. Password I'll give. Okay, let's create an account. Yes, so now I created an account. I'll go to browser to verify for this. So I got a mail. Let's verify this. Verified successfully. Now now see let's do something here. Login. If I'll give the email address there, is offensive hunter@gmail.com, and I will give password offensive hunter. If I click, this will be logged in. I won't click. I'll basically intercept is on. This is a post based. I'll click on login. I will convert into CSRF. Engagement tool generate CSRF POC. Now copy is HTML, paste there. Yes, see this. Now let's open this with the Chrome browser now. Okay, open with Chrome. Let's submit request. What happened? You got logged in. So we have done CSRF on login page. See this. So you just I just for the request of victim, and it's logged in now into the application because it's a login page. So it will logged in into the web application. So I hope it's clear to you. If not, we will have a discussion.